Are you a graphic designer trying to land that killer job that you've always wanted? Or perhaps you're a freelancer trying to keep your calendar and your schedule busy enough to make enough income that you can pay your bills by the end of the month? Hey, my name is Derek Mitchell. I'm a creative director with over a decade of experience working as a graphic designer and a web developer. And in this Portfolio Builder course, I want to show you the exact things that employers are looking for to hire you. I'm going to give you over 20 real-world projects that we can pack your portfolio full of things that's going to help you stand out way above the competition. On top of that, I'm gonna bring my wife in, who's the project manager for our agency, and she's gonna give you real email templates that you can use to help you get that job when this is all said and done. We're gonna help you build your resume, and on top of that, I'm gonna give you free access to my WordPress portfolio design course as well. So not only will you be able to build a print portfolio, you'll also be able to build your online digital presence as well. And we're gonna give you some of the top things to remember when you're interviewing for that job, as well as some of the common pitfalls that you definitely need to avoid. This is a course that's been on our list for a long time to create. We have over 100,000 students in our graphic design bootcamp course, and they always ask us about how to present their work and building their portfolio. So this course is the answer to that, and we're really excited about it. We've been working on this for a really long time, and we're so pumped that it's finally available for you to join. So don't delay, get signed up today, and worst case scenario, you guys, it's got a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for some reason you find out it's not a good fit for you, you can always get your money back. But I think you're gonna love it, and more importantly than that, I know that these exact steps are gonna get you up and running with an amazing, beautiful portfolio that's gonna get you that work that you're looking for.